Today is Operation Ice Day 2, and there is ice, but it is not holding us. It's been 3 degrees below freezing tonight, and the ice has been building, but it is not yet enough to hold us, I think. But we are going to go check it out anyways, so we're probably not gonna be happy, but it's gonna be awesome.
Då kom du på en natt.
First reports of ice are coming in, and there are ice. We will see how it is to walk on it. I think it looks beautiful. Woo. Uh-oh. Okay, Schleban, what do you think? How much more will it need?
2 days.
2 days? Nah. I think tonight it will be enough to hold us. It will be very unstable, but enough to hold us. I think that.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Have to wait to see.
And here is flowing water. Pure flowing water. Look at this pure flowing water. It's beautiful, pure flowing water. Okay, so we're analyzing the ice thickness. Yeah, and it looks like 1 centimeter almost. So it's really close to being able to hold us.
Är du med?
Ah, ja.
Det var ganska häftigt det där.
Ljudet!
Ja.
Listen to the sound now.
Fan vad långt de blir alltså. Åh jävlar, det är så traska igenom där. Vad tror du vägen?
Okay, so it is day 3 and we're going out to check the ice. It is Christmas Eve today and we're hoping we have some walker today. What are you talking about? Iris wants to be on camera.
All 80s.
You're fucking crazy. But you're also 100% single.
What do you think about today's ice?
I will have to be proven by the ice.
You have to be proven by the ice.
Yeah.
Joppe, what do you think?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited! Woo! We have some good stuff coming up like this.
Ajelon, du kan inte börja med att gå igenom. Det blir svinkallt.
Jag visste det, Simon. I knew it.
Ja, men det här, känner man, det här är också vidgräs. Gräset är alltid sämst.
Something that I'm breathing, telling me to sleep in.
It is not so much water left. A lot of it is gone. Oh! Okay, face plant. Face plant. Poor guy.
Face behind my lids like nothing gets done. Living by a bad truth, swallow it like who knew. Marching to the drums like pam 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 pam. Sliding by the beach, just
to the ice now. We are pretty nervous now. I really hope it's possible to walk on, but it looks really good. It looks really good. It's like, it looks very solid. So I have my hopes up. I'm gonna send out Elon first, see if he falls through, and then if he manages to stay on top, I'm gonna go out myself also. Oh, det är drömmis! Det är drömmis! It's the ice of the dreams! The ice of the dreams! It's the ice of the dreams! Woohoo! Look at this, look at this. This is fucking amazing! This is amazing!
Alltså det kommer spricka på mig!
Okay, you can probably not see it here, but it's I can see like half a meter below me here. Half a meter. Beautiful ice skating. I just need to get my ice skates. That would be really nice. I mean, it's cracking below me, but it's holding up very good. It's like a very stable ice. A very stable ice. It's so beautiful. Nu är det läskigt! Det kommer in! Alltså det är så jävla nära! Alltså det är helt sjukt där! This. You can see straight through down to the bottom of the grass field. So it usually gets flooded here. It's pretty cool.
It's like a punch drunk out of this game. Starting by the beaches, gotta have a secret. Life is playing preachers, so I'm hiding my secret. Drowning out the teaching, gotta have a secret. I'm just a fake silhouette, avoiding every threat. I wanna stay like a silhouette.
Okay, so we gotta do jumping roulette. We see who goes through first. Okay, I just need to protect the camera. That's the main goal. Okay, we have Abbe, one contender, we have Elon, one contender, and we have me. And then we have a cameraman, extra camera. Okay, let's go. Okay, jag kör nu. Första hoppet.
Nej. Och jag hoppar en gång. Vet du vad? En Abbe. Jaha, han är sådär.
Ja. Nej, kom igen. Det var det mesigaste.
Det var små hopp. Simon, din tur. Round one for Simon. Round one for Simon. Round two, Sleva. Nej. Round two, Simon.
Oj jävlar, man ser det liksom bara gå.
Round tre, Simon.
Ja, det är det.
Round fyra, Round fyra, Simon. Nu är det. 1, 2, 3, kör! Det var på nya vägen också.
Hur tjock är den? Ja, det är så pass alltså.
Nej! Jag känner hur buktar! Jag kan inte ta mig ifrån din skithas. Sluta!
Kom inte hit.
ut! Jag glider ju! Jag går inte! Jag går inte ens! Jag bara glider! Nej!